Good day, Ma'am Lebaton. This is my video presentation to what I learned in prelim, midterm, and finals. Prelim, I learned the types of motion in projectile. Number one is direct motion. Ito yung diretsyon na pagtama o pag-impact ng bala. Next is yung rotary motion. Ito yung twisted to the left or to the right. Next yung translational. Ito yung tinatawag na ricochet o tumatalbog. Next po is midterm. Classification of firearms. Ito po yung artillery. Malalaking projectile na ginagamit sa gera. Next po yung machine gun, automatic or semi-auto. Finals naman po, characteristics of barrel steel. Number 1 po dito yung machinability, steel to be easily cut and shaped. Next po, durability, yung bakal na tumatagal ng last long time. Next po yung strength, ito yung malakas o matibay na bakal. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.